This is a Sony PS-FL7 turntable, and it has the issue where the arm doesn't move. So if I press the arm move button, it does nothing. If I press it and push it a bit, it'll move. So I'll show you how to fix this. To fix it, we're gonna have to take the bottom cover off, so I recommend taking this plate off, or else it'll fall out when you turn it upside down. So to take this out, just take that off, and then put your fingers in these holes, pull it off. You actually don't have to take this top cover off to fix it, but if you do want to take it off, there's 2 screws on the side, on each side, and then there's a screw under this corner and a screw under this corner. And then be careful taking it off because there's this power cable for the power button. You have to unplug that. Alright, so I got it flipped over here, and there's 12 screws to remove. 4 on this side, 1 in the middle, 4 on this side, and then 3 on the back. So I've got the bottom off, and the problem is this belt here is too loose, so it doesn't drive the wheel there. So I'm gonna remove that and replace it. And what I'm gonna use is one of these elastics. I think they're like hair ties. I bought it from Walmart a while ago, so I'll put a link in the description if I can find them on Amazon. So I've got the new one on here now. Turns way better now. I've got the bottom back on now. Put the screws back in and test it out. One thing to note when putting this plate back on is to line up the holes, the black part in the plate. There's actually sensors that shine through those. Okay, so let's see if this will work now. Press the button here. There you go. She's smooth. See if I go the other way. Oh yeah.